How to hide last seen on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down and click on Messages and Story Replies. Then, in here, click on Show Activity Status. After you've clicked on Show Activity Status, make sure Show Activity Status is turned off. Make sure the white circle is on the left side. After you do that, Last Seen will be hidden. And this is how to hide Last Seen on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic?